Morning guys, welcome to today's video, daily video number 34 here on the Costa Rican ranch. Going to feed the black little piggy, and I'm gonna go get some mangoes for the two big pigs and one of the small pigs. Let's start the day. Morning piggy, how you doing buddy? I got some grains for you. You like this? Yeah buddy. Alright, I'm at a different mango tree on the farm, but just because the other mango tree and this one too is producing, we're almost out of mangoes. I can't even see any. I'm sure there's some way up right now, but less and less mangoes every week out of all these trees. Morning piggy. I give this guy some mangoes and the other guy some mangoes. I got ration them good because I got to give it across three pigs. Morning, buddy. Morning, buddy. I got some mangoes for you. Yep. Get down. Get down. One more. Alright, that should be just enough for the little pig. Morning, buddy. I got you some mangoes. Ooh. Perfect amount for him. There you go, buddy. It's all good. Morning, girl. How you doing? Getting some minerals? I got minerals and molasses in that. Their troughs there. You know, now that I think of it, I think she broke out of the fence somehow. I'll have to make sure, but this fence is open, the other fence was open, the gate's open, so I'm thinking she broke out of the fence. She's not usually the troublemaker one, though. Yesterday, if you haven't watched yesterday's video, day number 34, I welded this gate up on here, but I didn't show it in the video, but we came up with a super simple, just temporary latch for it. Just real quick, open and shut. It'll work for now. The cows won't get through there. Morning, girl. Brought your water. It's all good. She wants that Angus cow's milk, and we're trying to wean her off, which she has been eating grass, and we gave her. What did we? Yeah, we gave her a bottle a week ago or more, but I think she's weaned off eating grass now. She just keep calling the. She wants the Angus cow. Got your nice full water. She tipped it over. She tipped it over yesterday too. It's all good, girl. Alright, now I'm on the hunt for the little white baby calf that we gave ivermectin and fenbendazole to, which is a anti-parasitic medicines. Because we don't see her out here. There's one of the herds of the cows. We gave her ivermectin and fenbendazole, and we knew she had parasites because she's having some skin issues all over her body. It's like her fur's off, and then the skin is like a little bit discolored in certain spots. But I'm gonna go look up on this tree line, see if she's laying up here somewhere. Maybe she's just right around the corner, hopefully. Okay, I do see some cows right around the corner through the trees right here, so I hope one of those is her. Tomorrow's a big day. It's a cattle auction real early in the morning. It starts at 7, so we might leave here 5:36. And I'm gonna hopefully be buying some cattle. Let's see, are any of these? No. Unless she's laying down back there, I don't see her. I'm just gonna walk up this fence side and check right in the trees. I think when I start my herd, I'm gonna try to get, the goal is 4 cattle. Now, I'm here, they don't, the perfect Brahman cattle would be all white, long droopy ears, and a big fat hump on the neck. Now, I think I want to try to get that, but you can get a lot cheaper cow if you get all those traits, except maybe they're brown, or they have spots on them, like just spots of brown or spots of white and mainly brown. So I think I'm gonna try to get at least 3, but goal is 4 heifers, and we'll see what they go for to start my herd. But then I'll keep all the female, and I'll sell the males, the bulls. Eventually they'll be bulls. I'm not seeing her, but when I sell the bulls, they'll be probably about 1 to 2 years old, probably closer to 2 years old for sure. And I'll try to buy 2 to 3. Whenever I rebuy, I'll just try to buy the same, because Corey was teaching me that it's a 50-50 whether they're going to be like pure white or that brown, or brown with spots. I guess so. It's not 50-50, but so it's okay for the heifers to be brown, or brown with spots, or mainly white with brown spots, or whatever. I just want them to be long droopy ears and a big neck. That's really all I care about, and to be pure Brahmin, really. You think she'd be around this corner? Walk in these streets and see. I think there was an entrance over here. Yep. Ooh, rocks. Somewhat recent cow patty. So far, I'm not seeing her. There's the opening to where I moved those other cows out. I guess I'll go a little bit deeper in the woods here. Oh, yep. Sounds like she was around that corner. He was around that corner. That's my hat clean off me. Alright. Go around this corner here. It's a big ranch out here. Alright, he's walking, looking good.
There's only a couple here. All of this whole part, this whole field I cut with the weed whacker. Right there, some of it, but a lot of it never grew back. It looks really good in here. The grass really came back.
Yeah.
He's looking
Good.
better. His hair's starting to go back.
Oh yeah, on his back, yeah.
but he's still looking real bad on the bottom. He's a Rican,
Mm-hmm.
like a rat.
Oh yeah, real pink. He sees the black Angus, so he's running towards her.
Just an example. That cow,
Brown,
the one left of it, looking at us,
big white one.
Conrad's cow, her baby died. See that one that's drinking the milk?
Yeah.
That's not the baby to that cow. Her baby died, and that cow's mother died from chemicals.
Oh.
So those two, I was able to link up.
Uh-huh.
Then there should be a red cow. Her baby died. So the other one, the one on the right, the white one with its head down, that's getting licked, she's the one that we just took the baby away from. We sold the baby.
Oh, okay.
So she's right in front of the bull. She's probably going into heat right now because the baby's gone.
Okay.
And then the one behind, those other two behind them, they must be close too. They wanted mate. When they're close to reproducing, they'll let him. They'll go to him, get him to do his thing.
Okay.
They'll go to each one, do his thing. So that baby that's sucking that milk isn't her baby.
Uh-huh.
His mama died. Her baby died.
And so she's milk producing, so she's probably pregnant now?
No,
Okay.
I don't think she's pregnant. Because I switched babies right when it died. When her baby died and that one's mother died, it happened around the same time. I was able to get him. At first she didn't accept him. She'd hit him with her horns. Like he was super like a shark. He would just follow her around like crazy. She couldn't keep him away until eventually she accepted him because she had milk. But they don't, sometimes they'll go into heat a month after they give birth. Not always.
Huh.
Sometimes they won't go into heat again until after you get rid of the baby.
Okay.
That's why at 8 months you want to get rid of the baby so the mom will get pregnant again if she's not pregnant already. If she is pregnant already, she's gonna give birth in a month. It takes 9 months.
Morning, buddy. Letting you out. That's the troublemaker pig. Papaya. What color is papayas?
One. It's got trees growing, bunch of papayas. So look at those. Green.
Oh, okay. Yep. Vegetable. Okay. Lemon trees.
Mango
One,
tree,
two.
mango tree, mango. The whole time. I barely put cows into this.
How
It's
many?
a 14.
How many years?
5 years?
Okay.
I think so, maybe 2021. Around there.
Uh-huh.
2020, 2021. Really nice. I never even come back here. I was gonna clean this whole place up. If the cows are in this field, they ain't coming through this thing. They never have. Except for right here. It's this post floor. There's the other half. Other half is still on the ground after 5 years or how many years.
Wow.
And this, I just fixed this up. You see right here. I just spliced the wire in and went around the tree. So next time if they try to go through here, it's and the tree's already eaten into it. That's how long ago it was and I fixed it. It was a while back. Really broken too. It was weird.
Hey, what plant? What plant is this?
It'll have
Tree?
thorns on it and it's
Oh, thorny tree.
yeah, it's got some milk. You don't want to get it in the eye and stuff.
Mm.
All that stuff I cut out of it. See, this is what you want for your bees.
Yeah.
All these kind of stuff, flowers. But these flowers get so high.
Hey, girl. That calf is happy around that Angus. Well, I gotta be real careful walking. I gotta walk straight through here. Actually, no, I don't. Forgot the fence is still down, so I can get through it real easy. So, walk through this path. It's all good, girl. I ain't gonna do nothing. Oh, it's beautiful today. It rained good last night. Hopefully, we're back in the wet season part. Because it was dry for too long. And now it's nice and cool this morning. It'll probably be really humid here later this afternoon, but that's okay. That cow might be thinking about hopping the fence. That white cow right there can be mean. She will. She's the reason for so many dead baby calves when they're born. She'll hit them in the stomach. Alright, back to digging these holes. I love getting this beautiful view while I'm working. Cows, beautiful pasture, beautiful greenery, jungle. That's it. Yeah, that one started to get way harder than the rest of these. What I got? 3, 4, 5 more. 4.
A couple more. You're almost done.
Yeah.
Got 9 done, huh?
Something like that. Well, you're gonna have to unscrew. Rican diesel.
Fix that. Yeah, stuff like that.
What is this called?
That's the fuel pump.
Oh, okay. And then there's the
Fuel
fuel filter.
Let's replace these too. It did. It looks good in there. I only put Teflon in here.
I know one of those seals goes right here. I remember seeing the small one. I don't know about the others.
I should have told you to find it. Oh, well, at least I got it. Oh,
Yeah.
I'm out at the end. Yeah.
Looks good.
I kept it. You heard it, right? Bang,
Yeah.
bang, bang.
Yeah.
I was trying to leave it. See how far. Take it to leave.
Yeah. We'll see next time you mow different
Something
things.
was hitting, but then I looked back and saw this was stupid. And we just stuck in there.
Yeah.
That could be. Have fun. It's good.
Oh yeah.
The ocean,
Yep.
everything would be. Whole field would be pretty well. I think.
Well, this is hard work. Got close to 10 done now. 10 or 11. I can't remember. We got an auger for the back of that PTO, but the Ford 5000 tractor, but it doesn't have enough weight to go in this. There's really sandy soil in areas that it'll probably work in, and then there's, as you just get up this hill here, it gets super hard. So it doesn't have enough weight to push down in that soil. Thanks for watching today's video. Make sure to subscribe because tomorrow's video will be at the auction, and hopefully we get some cows. And you can stay up to date with all the daily videos.